Hey guys, Isaac back with another protein snack review. This is the last of our protein pancakes by Bulk Nutrients. This one's chocolate, so could be argued one of the better flavors, I guess. I really like the cinnamon a lot, but this one, chocolate, it's smelling great. Nice and warm right in front of me again. So let's go over the stats on these again. They're like 375-ish calories. They're all exactly the same basically. So the last three we've done the last 3 days. You're looking at 40 protein for all of them, and that normally makes 4 pancakes this. 3.6 fat and 40 carbohydrates with 3.3 fiber. So again, they're really good. Like I said yesterday, normally for something like this I would split, maybe share it with another person, and then you can add your own toppings and it's not so sort of calorie intensive, and it's sort of like a small sort of breakfast that's high in protein, which is cool. And that way you can put like, ice cream or maple syrup or whatever you want on it. Just add the mixture, a little bit of water, and put it in the pan, and it works really good. So I am tasting all these pancakes just plain Jane. No toppings or anything like that, because otherwise it might sort of skew it a bit. And to be honest, because they got the 40 carbs, they taste sweet enough as is, so it doesn't really bother me. Alright. Probably the one good thing, I don't know if it's just because I eat them fresh every time, they always seem to be moist. So could just be my wife's fine cooking, but also could be the actual mix itself. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, because the side, inside's really moist, it kind of tastes like a chocolate pudding almost, sort of thing, like pancake style. And when I say like chocolate pudding, it's sort of like the subtleness of the chocolate, if that makes sense. It's not like overpowering. It's just like a subtle chocolate flavor. Yeah, it's really good. It is subtle, but with these being so high in protein, I really expected them to taste really, I don't know, with most protein snacks you have the, I guess, repercussion of it's sort of tasting protein-ish, and it sort of, I don't know, makes everything taste a little bit sort of weirder, having that like a high amount of protein. But this is, I don't really notice it, to be honest. It's nice, it's moist. It's a real subtle chocolate sort of flavour. It's not like eating chocolate, but more like a chocolate cake kind of thing, where it is a chocolate cake, but it's nowhere near like sort of chocolate icing, if that makes sense. So overall, I really like this flavour. I think it's a lot better than the vanilla I had yesterday. Stats-wise, I think they're great. I think they're a great snack, or great breakfast, really. Just keeps that protein high. And I think rating for this one, guys, probably 7.7. I really enjoyed it. Out of the 3 flavors, I like the cinnamon the best, followed by chocolate, then vanilla. So that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're doing one of their protein balls. Hopefully that's going to be pretty good. And yeah, if you like it, guys, like the video, and if you have any suggestions, please comment below. Thanks again.